Tired of searching for the perfect beauty spot? Welcome to Spotless Beauty, where your hair, body, and confidence come first. Step inside our salon and experience the magic. From fixing flawless weaves to intricate braids and elegant plating, our stylists are masters of transformation. We guarantee you'll leave with the hair of your dreams.
We don't just do hair. We craft masterpieces that are uniquely you. Our goal is to ensure you walk out looking and feeling like royalty. But we don't stop at hair. Ready for a total glow up? Check out our nail and lashes station. Need to relax and refresh? Our body wellness section is your escape. Treat yourself to a deep, soothing body massage. And for the men, don't think we forgot you. Our expert haircut and barbing services will keep you looking sharp and refined.
Finally, visit our marketplace for all your beauty needs. We stock the finest wigs, weaves, creams, and beauty products. Invest in your beauty with our curated collection. Choose from ethically sourced human hair, luxurious wigs, and premium creams designed for African skin. At Spotless Beauty, we believe true elegance starts from within. We are your one destination for complete hair perfection, body wellness, and irresistible style. Can't make it to our beautiful complex? No problem. Our entire range of hair, beauty, and wellness products is just a click away on our seamless online store. Browse our extensive catalog, read reviews, and enjoy easy, secure shopping from the comfort of your home. Experience the Spotless Beauty difference, where luxury meets perfection. Whether you visit us in person or shop online, your journey to complete beauty and body wellness starts here.